Ever wondered how something as tiny as chia seeds can pack such a powerful health punch? Let's take a journey back in time to ancient Central and South America, where the mighty Aztec and Mayan civilizations thrived. Among their treasures, they held one tiny seed in high regard: the chia seed, a staple in their diet and a crucial component in their religious rituals. This humble seed, despite its minuscule size, was a symbol of strength and endurance for these ancient peoples. Chia seeds, derived from the desert plant Salvia hispanica, were more than just food for the Aztecs and Mayans. They were a lifeline, a source of sustainable energy during long journeys and intense battles. They were so revered that they were often used as currency. Imagine that, a tiny seed with such immense value. But why did these ancient civilizations value chia seeds so much? The answer lies in their nutritional profile. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. They are rich in dietary fiber, high-quality protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They also pack a punch with a variety of vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. In today's world, where we are constantly seeking ways to maintain our health and vitality, chia seeds have gained popularity as a superfood. This term superfood might sound like a marketing gimmick, but it's quite fitting for chia seeds. A superfood is essentially a nutrient-rich food that is beneficial for health and well-being, and chia seeds, with their impressive nutritional profile, certainly fit the bill. So here we are centuries later, rediscovering the power of these tiny seeds that were once the lifeblood of ancient civilizations. It's fascinating, isn't it? How we are circling back to the wisdom of our ancestors, finding value in what they held dear. Now that we know how significant these tiny seeds are, it's time to delve deeper into their benefits. Chia seeds are not just a culinary marvel, they are a health superstar too. These tiny seeds are packed with an impressive array of nutrients that have profound effects on our health. So let's delve into their benefits. First off, chia seeds are brimming with dietary fiber. In fact, 2 tablespoons provide almost half of the daily recommended intake. This fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system, aiding in regular bowel movements, and even assisting in weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own. These omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation, enhance brain function, and may even lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Furthermore, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants. These natural compounds have a myriad of health benefits, from combating harmful free radicals that can damage our cells, to delaying the aging process and reducing the risk of certain cancers. As if that weren't enough, chia seeds also offer a good dose of essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are vital for bone health. They are also a great source of protein, particularly for those following a plant-based diet. Moreover, several studies have suggested that regularly consuming chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great dietary addition for people with diabetes. They also support cardiovascular health by helping to lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol. Beyond these specific health benefits, the overall impact of incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be quite significant. They can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and even contribute to better skin health. So whether you're sprinkling them on your morning oatmeal, adding them to your favorite smoothie, or using them as an egg substitute in baking, you're doing your body a world of good. Clearly, these seeds are more than just a trendy addition to smoothies and desserts. They are a small but mighty force for our health and well-being. From smoothies to salads, chia seeds have found a home in our kitchens. These tiny powerhouses of nutrition have a knack for sneaking into a wide variety of dishes, bringing with them a host of health benefits. Let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Whether you're a fan of oatmeal or a smoothie enthusiast, chia seeds can easily become part of your morning routine. Add a spoonful to your oats for an extra crunch, or blend them into your smoothie for a fiber boost. They swell when soaked, creating a gel-like substance that can make your morning meal more filling. Moving on to lunch and dinner, chia seeds can be a delightful addition to your salads, soups, and even main courses. Sprinkle them onto your greens for an added layer of texture, or stir them into your soup for a subtle nutty flavor. You can also use them as a thickening agent in sauces or as a binder in vegetarian patties. Now, who said chia seeds are only for savory dishes? They also make a great addition to your desserts. Try making chia seed pudding, a healthy and delicious treat that you can customize with your favorite fruits and flavors. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet doesn't require a major culinary upheaval. Their mild flavor and versatile nature allow them to blend seamlessly into your meals, enhancing their nutritional value without significantly altering their taste. So, next time you cook, remember to sprinkle some chia magic. Beyond health and culinary uses, chia seeds have a cultural significance too. Their roots stretch deep into the soil of ancient civilizations, where they held a place of honor as a staple food and medicinal ingredient. Originating in Mexico and Guatemala, chia seeds were considered sacred by the Aztecs and Mayans, who hailed them as the food of the gods. These tiny powerhouses were used in religious rituals, as offerings to deities, and even as a form of currency. They were also revered for their medicinal properties, often used to relieve joint pain and stimulate saliva production. In the indigenous cultures of Central and South America, chia seeds were more than just a food source. They were a symbol of endurance and resilience, believed to provide supernatural energy and stamina. Warriors would consume them to maintain strength during long journeys or battles. Even today, in many parts of the world, chia seeds continue to be a part of traditional medicine practices. They are used to boost immunity, aid digestion, and promote heart health, echoing the wisdom of ancient cultures. The cultural significance of chia seeds goes beyond their nutritional value. They embody a rich history and tradition, carrying forward the legacy of ancient civilizations. Chia seeds, thus, are a blend of culture, health, and taste. So, what's the takeaway from our chia seed exploration? The tiny, mighty chia seed is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants, these seeds offer a plethora of health benefits. From improving digestive health to boosting heart health, reducing inflammation, and promoting weight loss, the chia seed is indeed a wellness superstar. But the magic of chia extends beyond just health benefits. It's also a culinary delight. Its neutral flavor and unique gel-like consistency when soaked make it a versatile addition to a wide variety of dishes. You can sprinkle it on salads, mix it into smoothies, or use it as an egg substitute in baking. You can even make it the star of your dish with a nourishing chia pudding. The possibilities are endless, and the ease of incorporating chia into your daily diet is truly unmatched. Moreover, chia seeds hold a significant place in culture. They have been revered by ancient civilizations for their energy-boosting properties. The Mayans and Aztecs, for instance, recognized the power of these tiny seeds and utilized them as a primary food source. Today, they are celebrated globally for their nutritional prowess and versatility. Embracing chia seeds in your diet is a simple, effective way to enhance your health and well-being. All it takes is a spoonful of these tiny seeds to harness their incredible benefits. So, whether you're a culinary enthusiast looking to experiment with new ingredients, a health-conscious individual seeking natural ways to boost your wellness, or someone intrigued by the cultural significance of food, chia seeds have something to offer you. As we wrap up our exploration, let's remember that great things often come in small packages. The humble chia seed is a testament to this, offering a wealth of benefits in each tiny seed. So take the leap, incorporate chia into your diet, and experience the incredible benefits firsthand. Embrace the power of chia seeds and elevate your health game. Remember, great things often come in small packages.